What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? We back, we black, we here, we queer, and we love houseplants. Let me know what you think about that, cause I think that might be the tagline, but let me know in the comments if that works. I think it kind of works. My name is Travis, and welcome to my channel. If you came back, thank you. I'm just learning about this thing as I go, right? This is a journey. Not a destination, and I'm just willing to learn. So today we have an unboxing. Two places. First one is Potted Elephant, the other one is Botanicarus, I think is how you say it. So hopefully it's gonna be a really quick video, in and out. I'm really focusing on looking into the camera, even though this feels really awkward. Releasing that first video, I became very aware of just how vulnerable it felt to put myself out there like that. And definitely stirred up, honestly, a lot of emotions. But we're here now. I'm just allowing myself to learn as I go, and bringing y'all along for it, for anybody who wants to come along for the ride. All right, so the first one is from Potted Elephant. And I've ordered from Potted Elephant a few times. I really like the products. From what I remember, I liked everything about the experience. I hope they put what the plant is, because I can't remember. I know what the genus is, but I can't remember the species. All right, let's see. Here we go, here we go. Oh my God, I love this so much. So I don't think it says, but I'll put it on the screen. It's a type of RHIPSALIS. Oh my goodness, how pretty. I didn't realize that there was gonna be like a lime green color almost. It reminds me a little bit of Burrow's tail. Yeah, so this is beautiful. It's a little bit hairy. I have another RHIPSALIS. I have a RHIPSALIS PILOCARPA that's super hairy that I love. I'm such a fan of RHIPSALIS, dude. Thank you, Potted Elephant. I don't know if you know anything about Enneagram numbers, but as an Enneagram 4, something that's really important to us is being authentic. Looking into a camera can sometimes feel like a performance. I'm constantly aware of how I'm coming off, so I'm so excited about what's in here. Oh, one is kind of like, whatever. The other one's like, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, and the cord on this mic is so awkward. I don't know a better way to do it right now. It feels so awkward. I don't like that you can see it, but whatever, it's fine. So I picked this one first because it's not the one I'm as excited about. Ta-da! This is the good old Sansevieria. I'll put it up on the screen. I forget the exact name of this one, but yeah, it's like a pretty basic Sansevieria, right? It's something that I think a lot of us are used to, we've seen a lot of times, but I'm in a new space with my partner and we're decorating and whatnot, and we have these huge windows down in the living space, the living room, and it's on the second floor, and I want it to look like grass on the floor, so I have tons of different Sansevieria so that it kind of looks like grass. Yes, from our perspective on the inside, but also if you're outside, it kind of looks like grass. It's coming up out of the window with all the different types of Sansevieria, so this is just to add to that. And yeah, this looks pretty good. There's a little bit of damage, but this was super cheap in my opinion. It was like 25 bucks, I think it was. And that's with shipping. And it's a pretty big plant. Oh, who goes there? Cool. Anthurium insigne. Whoa, the size of these leaves. Beautiful, beautiful. Love the rippling on the leaves. There's a little bit of damage, but, and I think I saw that in the picture. Some of it could be shipping damage, which fine, that's cool. Yeah, this is a pretty great size. One on the way. All right, and boom, just like that, we're done. So once again, the first one was from the potted elephant. The second two were from Botanicarus. I think I'm saying that right. I'll link them down below. Thank you for chilling with me. Thanks for coming back if you came back. And if it feels good to your soul, like, comment, subscribe. Like I've said before, for me, a big part of why I'm doing this is community. So I would love to connect with y'all if y'all are down to connect. So you can comment, you know, maybe if you're growing any of these, let me know what your experience is, or if you've had experience with these sellers, maybe tell me what that experience was like, or maybe you just want to say, hey, what's up? Cool, let's say, hey, what's up, and let's chat. I'm down to connect whatever way that looks like. Thank you guys so much for chilling and hanging out with me, and I will see you next time. Deuces.